Welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. In today's video, I'll walk you through the main features of the free version of Canva, one of the easiest tools for creating designs, thumbnails, posters, and more. Canva has a lot to offer, especially for free users. And while I might not cover every single thing, I'll show you the most important tools you can start using right away. No design experience needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating a new design. From the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button at the top right. You'll see popular sizes like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, poster, and more. Choose the one that fits what you need. For this example, I'll choose a YouTube thumbnail. Step 2. Using templates. Canva offers tons of free templates. Scroll through and look for ones without the crown symbol. Those are free. Click a design to load it, and now you can customize everything. Step 3. Adding and editing text. Click on any text in the template, or use the text tool on the left to add your own. You can choose from free fonts, change colors, resize, and move text anywhere on the screen. Step 4. Inserting elements. Click Elements in the left menu. From here you can add shapes, lines, arrows, icons, and more. Again, look for items without the pro crown symbol to keep it free. Drag and drop any element into your design. Step 5. Uploading your own images. Go to the Uploads tab and click Upload Files. You can add your own photos or screenshots and drag them right into your design. This is great for adding logos, headshots, or personal content. Step 6. Using backgrounds. You can use solid colors, gradients, or free photos as your background. Just click Background from the left menu or right-click any blank space and choose a color. You can rename the design as you wish. Step 7. Downloading your design. Once your design looks good, click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG format, leave the quality as is, and click Download again. Done. That's it. You've now learned how to use the main features in Canva's free version. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step design and tech tutorials. And if you want a part 2 where I dive deeper into more features like animation or folders, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!